URS surveillance. Video camera is not allowed. You are allowed, but you have to pay 150.
I will return to pay video 50, video 150.
Oh. This is the symbol of Arunachal.
Hornbill.
Hornbill.
The great hornbill.
The great hornbill.
This park is also known as Mahatma Gandhi Park.
The Nagaland Hornbill Festival is so the. What the kira is the Hornbill. So did you marry? Meeting. Tom Nasty. Todragulana Kagiar, jogging.
Brisk walking. Walking, fast walking.
Yes.
Kaligal Meuche. That is better. Rather than jogging, and jogging is the most strenuous to the heart.
No.
Keep brisk walking
No.
for 30 minutes
Less.
per day. For 5 days, 2 days gap. That is advice for elderly people.
Oh, less.
Don't overstrain. Isotonic exercise is not advised.
Less.
Isometric exercise. So you walk. Those who can, the youths can skip and do a little jogging. For the elderly, what is advice is walk.
So, Dr. Aku
You
means.
can do brisk walking.
So, Dr. Aku means like brisk walking is the best. So, because, yeah, actually, why I'm asking these questions is because, like, in Tibetan medicine text, it says like walking is the best exercise. So, in Tibetan medicine,
Same thing.
there's a line called Mingui Chaba Chulan Cho is. Mingui Chaba means like about to sweat.
Okay.
You walk like
Really sweat, yeah.
about to sweat. That will be the best exercise.
Yes.
So,
You see, if you can jog, it's good.
yes.
But don't jog with your foot stamping. That's a correct way of jogging. Land on your heel, toe,
Lessons.
rather than on your heel like that.
Lessons. I don't know, is also giving how to jog. And
Jog.
yeah. Oh, let's cutting.
So this is walking. This was a zoo.
Keep out of there. They say that I'm parking chimboche. Less. Oh, trims, gotcha.
This park one full round is little less than a kilometer.
Oh, less.
Say about 900 meters. You get guidelines, operational guidelines in the national program for non-communicable disease, like hypertension, diabetes,
Less.
obesity. Of course, all these things should also be accompanied with good diet, balanced diet.
Yes.
That is equally important.
Yeah.
No point in just doing morning exercise. I can go back and eat like a hawk.
Yes.
But many do that.
Yeah, many of my patients also says like they are gaining weight very easily. Even they go for
Again,
jogging, gym, and these things. So I think it's mainly also depend on the diet and how
yes, definitely.
lifestyle.
Lifestyle is all about having a balanced diet. Added with daily exercise, light exercise, and depending on your age.
Yes.
Those who are young can do, strenuous exercise, specified exercise. Elderly person like me, who's now 16 above, should not attempt doing heavy exercise.
Less,
That'll
less.
be a load on your heart.
Yes, yes.
You're not able to take. So
Yes, yes.
do exercise which is what your body is required to do. Just to the level of above, that is sweating, perspiration, that's good enough. So that
Yes,
is
yes,
the
the-
indication that you can reach the limit of exercise.
Yes,
And
yes.
you can stop.
Yeah.
No need to overstrain.
Yes.
Overdo. Again, that is not good
Yeah.
advice.
So the question is like, overdoing these things,
Yeah.
what happens actually?
Overdoing again, with age, everything, the organ also becomes weaker. It's
Yes,
not
yes,
like
yes.
what you had when you were in school days, college days.
Yes, yes.
So the heart also was musculature is also not too strong to take the stress in the
Yes.
form of exercise. So yes.
Less, less. So actually why I'm asking this question is actually really I'm practicing Tibetan medicine and, but in Tibetan medicine also we talk about the lung disorder, lung energy. So when we get age, then when we get older, body automatically regenerates by nature. Na? So that increases lung, and then lung is the main thing which disturbs the functioning of heart and all these things.
Yes, yes.
So I'm trying to
Advice.
integrate what we are talking in Tibetan medicine and as well as in biomedical science.
Yeah, the pin to it all system to medicine. The crux of everything is to have a good body, mind and soul.
Yes.
And it's a holistic thing. So today's world is not only about sticking to one discipline. You can also integrate
Yes, yes.
with the Ayurveda, the old science, with the Sorikpa,
No,
Tibetan
no.
medicine, even homeopathy.
No.
Not necessary, you only stick to allopathy.
Yes, yes, yes.
So today there's a thinking and this practice of combining all the system medicine and to integrate.
No, no,
So ultimately you have a holistic health.
no, no.
A health that is, meaningful,
No, no.
joyful.
Yes.
Okay. So this is practice of getting early in the morning before sunrise and do a walking. That's very today's young generation. Yes, everything is biological clock is
Yes, yes.
upside down.
Yes, yes.
They sleep very late. They're
Yes.
stuck to the mobile, cell phones, seeing movies late in the night, get up, and they get up usually. I see many young youths getting up around 12 in the noon.
Yes, yes, that's very true.
So you miss the sunshine. There is no opportunity for your body to be exposed to the
Sun.
sunshine, which is very important for your skin, where the natural process of biosynthesis of vitamin D,
D. Yes, yes.
which cannot be supplemented just like that. You take a lot of
By
supplements.
taking.
But the natural synthesis of vitamin D through the sun rays striking your body and below the skin, there's the natural synthesis of vitamin D, cholecalciferol, which is essential for your bones.
Bones.
Today you see many, out of maybe if you do a test for vitamin D, out of 100, there will definitely about 80 having vitamin D deficiency.
Yes, yes.
This was not there many years ago. Because people used to get up early in the morning, do the work, do the farming.
No.
But today, everything is, I don't know, to put it simply, people have become ullu ka bhatta,
That's
like
true.
an owl,
No, no.
awake in the night, sleeping during daytime.
No.
So that should be, you should check yourself.
Change. No?
Try to, control your biological clock
Less,
for your
less.
body.
Less, less.
Make it a habit.
No, no.
Very important. I used to say, there's a quotation, I don't know who quoted, but I used to use this quotation quite often.
Yes.
So I quote, "Awake, my friend, thou hast enough time to sleep in thy grave." Which simply means, while you are alive, get up. You can sleep as much as you want when you die. Nobody is going to disturb you. So while you're awake, parents, elders, brothers and sisters should help each other, wake them up, and then go for a morning walk.
Morning walk
exercise,
for the...
so that everybody in the family becomes healthy as
Yes,
a
yes.
family.
Yes,
If everyone's healthy, what more do you want?
Uh-huh.
You know, so the old adage of saying health is wealth.
Yes.
It stands very, very true. If you get sick, you have to spend money for your treatment.
Yes.
But if you are healthy, you save that money. So that money can be used elsewhere for other purpose. Rather than spending money for buying costly medicines for lifelong disease like diabetes, hypertension, and cancer, this and that.
No, no.
So today's world, I think we need to realize this, take it seriously on ourselves. And much of the disease today is because of lifestyle.
Yes, yes.
What we call is lifestyle disease,
Yes, yes.
which leads to disease under one umbrella. We call it the non-communicable disease, which you get it by yourself through your habits.
Less.
It's not from some outside infection from the others.
No, no, no.
It's not transmissible.
No, no.
Diabetes is not transmissible. You get it, you get it. That's it. Hypertension, high BP.
No, no.
So non-communicable disease is that, which simply means you get it, but your disease will not be transmitted to others.
Less.
It's not like communicable disease like the COVID, the tuberculosis, malaria, like that. So it's all in your hand.
No, no.
The slogan saying, "Aapka sehat, aapka hath."
So in
Your health is
Buddhism,
in your hand.
yes. So it means like in Buddhism we say, you are the master of yourself.
Yes, you are the master of it, definitely. Nobody, you have to help yourself.
No, no. Less. No. No, no, no.
You see the green, blue, and the black
Yes,
overhead
yes.
tanks, the syntax tank. Next to the red roof, the green roof, that's my residence. We'll be shifted there in the end of June of this year, 2025. And so we're happy, trying to build up a happy home.
Happy home.
See,
and
again,
warm.
I'm very, I like to say some quotations here regarding house and home. The difference is the house is built by hands,
Yes.
the brick, the hand to the building the house.
Yes.
But to convert that house into a home, happy home,
Yes.
it's the heart, the dil ke baat hai. In the people who are residing in that house should talk to each other, should live in harmony,
Yes,
should
yes.
have good relations. Then you can have a home.
Yes, yes. Home is where your heart is.
Yes, not the house. House can be just one structure where people don't talk to each other.
Yes, yes. That's very true.
There's no life there.
No.
Today this is not happening. Everybody wants their separate bedroom, their privacy,
No, no, no.
and this and that. And the father don't talk to the son, the daughter don't talk to the mother. Everybody's having their own timetable, and that is not nice. At least my advice is when you eat, the family must eat meals together.
There are a lot of professions in life, but you have chosen this doctor line, biomedical science. So what is the main goal? What was the main goal of
I
choosing?
don't know, it was maybe right from my school days, the trigger points where whenever you are asked by anybody, what is your ambition? I remember my answer used to be always, I want to become a doctor. I did not. I used to certainly reply like this.
Oh,
And whenever we have to write some kind of an essay like that, write about your ambition. I used to write, I want to become a doctor, giving reasons like I want to, doctors work, I find it very attractive. We can do a lot of good things to the people,
listen.
treat them, make them, alleviate their sufferings. So that was right from, I think, as far as when I was in class 5. And this I keep telling to the young generation, that was my ambition. So today is my advice to the young students who are even in class 5, 6, 7, 10 or whatever. They should have some kind of ambition before themselves in their minds. You should not be saying, I don't know. There are many replies I get from people when I ask this question, what do you want to become? They just blink and they shake their head.
No, no.
They are clueless. So I keep motivating you must make plans.
Yes.
At least by class 8 you should have some kind of definite plan.
Listen.
Plan A, plan B. Not necessarily you should only target a doctor or engineer. There are not many other professions in today's world.
No, no.
It is opened up.
No, no.
So you can have, parents should also guide their children help them in making decision making.
Yes, yes.
And children also, should have an open mind. Make the mind fresh.
Yes.
Discuss with if you are not agreeable to your parents, you can discuss with your peers, that is your
No, no.
classmates,
No,
your
no.
friends. And you should have at least 3 plans. If the plan A doesn't work, you can go to plan B.
No.
If B doesn't favor you, you are not able to be successful. You go to plan C. For example, let's say your plan A is doctor.
Doctor.
If you don't get MBBS, then there is the next option. You may like do something in agriculture
No, no.
or horticulture or veterinary science,
No.
or you can go to engineering science. So you should have at least 3 plans.
No, no.
So you don't get into the confused mode.
No.
And then many times what happens is when your plan doesn't work, then
No.
you get stressed up and then you start worrying.
No.
And there are some frustration, people go into even depression.
No, yes.
So to avoid all these things, you must have at least 3, 4, 5, 6 plans in your mind.
No, no.
So then you have a broad thinking.
No, no. Yes.
So then as you move forward in life, your plan becomes more definite. So you need, wherever you need help, there's now career counseling, avenues are there. You can take advice.
No, no. Yes.
People can guide you.
No.
The important thing is to express yourself, your mind, without any nervousness,
No, no.
without shyness.
No.
Our children should be, so groomed, the helping hands, so that they ultimately they don't get frustrated. This is, what I see in many families is a big generation gap.
No, no, no.
The parents are not having any communication talk with the children.
No, no, no.
They just left alone to themselves, and then finally they become frustrated.
No, no.
Expressing your love to the children is not merely by just giving money and material things.
That's very true.
Good advice is also very, very important,
No, no.
which parents must, be willing to give, rather than putting into
Too much
scolding mode. You should
scolding and
avoid scolding to your children. They will not listen.
No.
This adolescent age group is a very rebellious age group.
no, no.
They don't listen.
No,
they
no.
listen more to the friends, to
No.
the schoolmates,
No.
rather than to the father and mother. So you must understand this
No.
psychology. It's very important.
Yes. And one very important question is now actually everybody is focusing on their own life, ambition, goal. But Dr. Akula is already successfully completed everything, doctor's professional life, and now recently retired. So the question is when you flashback about your biomedical science or doctor's life, how do you feel now? How do you enjoy now?
Yeah, that's the thing. That's the things that I keep telling myself. I also tell others. After working for many years in a system,
No,
for example, with me, I was working in the health department,
no,
and just recently I have retired
retired.
on the superannuation, you can call it.
No,
So, on the superannuation, see, he's a boy from town. He recently
oh,
got
that's nice.
DSP.
Ah,
So,
great,
training
great.
started?
Yes, sir.
How's it going?
Vâng,
Okay.
y chế xây dựng.
Okay, I'll meet you in there. Who are these guys?
Trong cái gì đó.
Okay, congratulations. How's it? Training started? When?
Last week.
How's your monitoring? It's a good training unit, no? Yes. You're lucky. This is a very shabby training. A small hall, no? Now we have enough space. Hostel, no?
Hostel.
Food is good.
Yes, sir. The food is excellent.
If the food is not good, then everybody will start cribbing, eh?
Yes, sir.
So do you must you are very opportune, no?
Yes, sir.
training center, good park here. Here, this was once upon a time zoo.
Yes, sir.
If you do walking here, those days. So I'm just doing it. Here's Amjila. Back in Guwahati, Tibetan medicine.
Yeah, actually I was
And
in
there
Tawang.
was from Tawang.
Okay.
I was Tawang. They recently got selected into APS.
Oh, that's very good.
Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission.
No.
His father is a close friend of mine.
Yes.
He's going to become, he's now DS, he's going to become Deputy Superintendent of Police. You?
So I'm ASO,
ASO means, can you just
Assistant Section Officer,
Assistant
Yeah.
Section Officer? So you?
DSP.
DSP. So they're going to be tough people, no?
Yes,
And
yes.
control law and order in the state.
So many congratulations.
We want more and more people coming from West Kamen town
Yeah.
this side.
Yes, sir.
Which in those days people were nervous, na? Now we have to open up challenge, na? Take challenge. How you keep on
Okay, sir. Enjoy your work, sir.
We'll meet.
Okay, sir. Sure,
Somewhere,
sir.
huh? My home is next to Okay, then. So
Then,
you
yeah.
are asking me a question like, the flashbacks.
Flashbacks of your
The
professional
flashback,
line.
you must have a good flashback.
Mm-hmm.
This good flashback can only come to you when you have worked with diligence, worked honestly, worked with passion in your whichever department you are. So that you can remember all the good things that you have done.
Mm-hmm.
So with this, when you are retired, you should not feel guilty about yourself.
That's very true.
I spent so many years in a department, I did nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Today, when I look back, I can, list the amount of contributions I have personally, pushed things. And today I can see the things are working. I have, contributed much to the state
No.
health, but you can list them. Of course, it's not only singly me, it's me and my team,
Yes.
So when I look back, like for example, I have, put a lot of things for the people, public health in terms of, taking care of their screening for diseases like diabetes, hypertension, through these programs which I was managing, non-common disease, the cancers, the early detection is very important, the screening part, and the giving awareness on
Yes.
these lifestyle diseases.
No.
And then materially, like, putting things in place like under the Pradhan Mantri National Dialysis Program. I put many dialysis equipments in the district hospitals. So our patients in all over the Arunachal, they are availing these facilities at free of cost.
Yes.
So, which is, when you think of this, very good. The people are now happy, they are thanking. And when you get, feedbacks like this, you feel good.
Yes.
So, and then also kidney transplant plant, I have more put things in place. Even, managing early detection of outbreaks, epidemics in the state.
No.
We have gone, I've crisscrossed the Arunachal Pradesh, all the districts I've traveled. So I put manpower, capacity building has been done. So today, we are at a very good level. We are in par with the rest of the country.
Yes.
So in many aspects like this.
No.
So for me, I feel happy.
Yes.
So I have told at my retirement, I have, when they gave me farewell, I've also said I'm available at any time if you need me. So
Yes.
they say, as a doctor, we never retires.
Yes, that's very
So
true.
although your age is up, but
No.
I can still, practice my medicine
No,
and
no.
help people.
Mm-hmm.
That will be there as long as I am on this planet.
No.
Till I breathe and take my last breath.
No.
Yeah.
No.
So there's no regret.
No. Nowadays, I think there are a lot of mental crisis
Yes.
rather than technical issues. So for that, as a biomedical doctors, how they can help or contribute
Yeah,
for the
now
mental-
this is another
psychosomatic issues.
Yes. Now see, many diseases, if you go by the definition of the health, what is health? WHO definition
No.
clearly says that it's not merely the absence of disease or any infirmity in the body.
No.
It is a state of physical well-being, mental well-being. Mental part is very much there.
No.
Your mind.
No.
And your physical, mental and social well-being.
No.
How you are in your society, with your family members.
No.
How's the relationship there? So it's all a good state of not only physical but mental, social, and also now if you're following any religion, you're
Morning.
morning, sir. Yes, doctor. He was talking. He was retired.
Yes.
So this thing of spirituality,
No, no,
whatever religion, they should be comfortable there.
no.
So the mental thing is all about, if there are no things, for every thing there's a definite medicine pill, but you must also take care of your mind.
No, yes.
That mind thing is something, is how you being brought up as a child in your family,
No.
how you are exposed in schools and college, with what kind of friends you are having, and then what all new things, experiments you are exposed to.
No, no.
Now, mental disturbance is there in today's youth.
No, no.
Yeah,
Too much.
that is there because of a lot of dirty habits.
No, no.
The habits you get into, you're trapped. For example, into drugs,
Yes.
all these psychosomatic drugs to
No, no.
elevate your mind, to make you happy.
No.
These are all temporary things.
No,
So you become addicted
no.
to, substance abuse.
Mm.
Like there are some illicit drugs which is in the market available, people are peddling, and then you get trapped
No.
and you are addicted, and then you start spending money on them, and buying them, getting them by hook or crook, And then, even at the domestic level, family level, there are infightings between the father and the mother.
No.
Suppose, let's say the father is an alcoholic, he's always beating his wife. So there are very disturbing situations
No, no.
where your child gets affected mentally, disturbed. So there are many causes for mental disturbances. So
Yes, yes.
what is the advice? Solution to that is, I feel the youth of today must, understand the situation and get up early in the morning. That's the number one.
Yes,
If you
yes.
can beat around the situation, first thing you try to have a good sleep, get up early morning, do this exercise, have your food on time, do your studies regularly, do all the things which is right.
Yes, yes.
You must analyze yourself,
No.
not easily get, trapped, swayed by influences. So be careful of who you choose as your friend. And they say, you tell me who your friends are and I will tell you who you are. And that is, again, a quotation there.
Yes, yes.
So it's important to, if you have good friends, then you are,
Your mentor?
sure that, yes, you're in the right company.
Yes, yes.
So be careful in choosing the right kind of friends,
Yes.
around us. In the form of movies,
No.
so many visual things to tempt
No, no.
yourself, so many addictive
No.
tobacco-related things,
No.
all smoking, giving you temporary satisfaction.
No.
So you have to, discipline your mind, take advice from elders,
No.
have open mind,
No.
and think positive. That's very important.
Yes.
The child should be able to understand the world that he's entering into, and take the challenges positively, and then keep working. And then, there are certain times you will not be successful.
No.
But take these, failures as a stepping stone to success. Many have done that. So never feel discouraged if you don't make it once.
No.
You fail once.
No.
If you're not, so you can try again. Keep trying.
No.
By which, never know one day you will get it.
No.
So हिंदी में बोलने से पसीने का फल मीठा होता है.
Mita.
So you have to spread it out.
Yes, yes.
You will not get everything just like that on your table, in your hands.
No, no.
You have to work for it.
No, no.
And since it's a very competitive world,
No.
you have to meet the challenges, work hard,
No, no.
and never feel, that self-confidence should be always there. You should be confident about yourself.
No, no.
Do not feel that that guy is better than me, and then you stop doing what you're supposed to do.
No, no.
You learn from somebody's failure.
No, no.
I always tell people, take challenges.
No.
Life is a challenge. Do not keep, talking negatives,
No, no.
grumbling, hating others
No.
for what they are. You talk about yours.
No.
And then when you start pointing fingers at others,
No.
he is this, he is that, oh, yes, you're wasting your time.
No.
I say, when you point your finger at your neighbor, always remember the three fingers are pointing back at you. They are
Yes.
asking you, what are you doing?
Yes,
That's
yes.
the question being put to you.
No.
So, remember this.
No.
Duty to do, you do what you're supposed to do. Then everything will be fine.
Yes.
So that's good. Dr.
Sorry.
Tenzin Gelek, who is my old good friend, he is in the Sorikpa
Yeah.
School of Medicine, which is also very, useful system of medicine for various diseases where allopathy cannot do much. For example, the nervous system, diabetes, even some cancers,
Metabolism.
hypertension, mental state. We can also try the Sorikpa medicine. It gives a lot of benefits.
No.
Although I'm an allopathic
No.
science
No.
person, but we have to combine,
No.
integrate,
Integration.
so that people don't get confused.
No.
Because today in this world there's a lot of confusion around
Yes,
with
yes.
what medicines to take.
Yes.
So it's like an open market.
No. Recipe.
ठीक है तुमका लंगरम नानू मेरा नाम लोकसम जंपा बोलो
लोकसम जंपा।
हम तवांग से हैं तवांग जानते हैं
Bumilang dekat.
Good. Okay.
Good.
All the best. Take care.